Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. Pre-primed Artist Loft 14 by 14 inch canvas that I have added mead and black paint to. And I'm not entirely sure what I'm going to do, except for I know it'll be a swipe. And I've got plenty of this pearl from Art Deco Art. I get it wrong. So that's where I'm going to start. I'm going to give myself a base layer of whatever seems right at the time, and that's more mead and black. And then I'm just going to use colors I like. Well, I've got plenty of frosted berries, so we're going to use some of that as well. Don't have any idea where this is going, so I'll be just as curious as you are to find out. I've got orange crush that just became open. And with that I'm going to put some tickled pink. Which looks like it needs to have a clot taken off its front. Whoop! That's on my finger. This is yellow orange I made myself. The Whispering Wisteria is closed, so we'll skip that for now. Got a little dancing fuchsia. I'll leave that out. Use some red orange. I was wondering how long it would take me before I started craving Snapdragon. I've got some frozen. Got some red violet. I might use silver or gold. I'm thinking about it. This is dancing fuchsia. And then I have to decide what cell activator I want to use. And I've got out my gold that I'm always complaining about. I'm going to try and use it. This is some cerulean blue, which I am going to be adding some Fandango to. And possibly another color, but I'm not sure what it will be. Could be this perfect indigo. So for now, that's as good a start as I need. I've got a metal spatula, and I'm going to start. What am I going to do? I'm going to start by tipping. Because I can, and I don't do it often enough. Depending on where this goes, that will inspire whatever I do next. I could even be adding more colors. I could do nothing. I could just leave it puddles of paint. I could add a whole bunch more color to it, just like it is, and it would be fun. But let's just go ahead and take a chance. I'm going to add some more white first. White pearl. Let's see where that takes us. I want black and white cell activator also, but this is how I got to start. It might work. Haha! I kind of want some more black to go in the other direction. I'm going to keep using the gold. I might want a scrape dish first, though. Never hurts to have a little extra paint on hand. I want to use the black with the gold. But since I put the black down, I'm going to give it a miss for a moment. And grab one of my silicone brushes. Put my paint right back in the painting. And now it's time to think about black over here, I think. Black with the gold. Which I will obviously be trying to use more often. Yeah, it's running right down. That's not cool. I opened that. It's open now. Not all the way, evidently. And do the same thing again. The white was okay. The gold is still good. I might want something else here. Tempted to use a little Decor 24 karat gold. It's time to make more soon anyway. Okay, so it's going to be, you know what I want? I want turquoise, which is Atelier Cobalt turquoise. I'm really tempted to use my small acetate tool. Maybe I'll do that. That way I can fit it right into the space I've got left. Put a little bit of black in there as well. That's pretty cool. I don't know about all this. I'll probably figure out what to do with that when I chip. Got some beautiful cells and some great colors. And that turquoise means I can blow around. And expose more cells, and there I did. Alright, let's get back to it. I think I'm going to do the white again over here on this side. Sort of pointing me in the direction I might want to go. I'm thinking Dancing Fuchsia Cell Activator, just because I like this color, but I need something to stand out on that green, and hopefully it won't be a problem. Maybe a little more black too. Just need a good enough puddle down below to let everything flow. I think I'm going to double up. That was probably wider than I needed, but that's par for the course right now. I haven't used any white cell activator. I'm going to. Whole new puddle. One more zone to go, and then I have to decide what, if anything else happens. I kind of want something else in here, and I think it's going to be this nice shadow just because it's handy. And maybe something else. Here, I'll try the frosted berry. No, that's not doing it for me. Cerulean blue. That'll do it. Now I want it top half here. Back to the gold. Well, I've got all kinds of yellow orange there, so that's going to be a competition. Looks like a big fisheye. A little bit of everything. Okay, not everything. Gold. Okay, so I've still got a little bit of cell activator, more like paint. Let's take that paint off there. And I'm going to throw this in the bucket and grab a smaller, hopefully, acetate tool. I just dribbled on my finger. Oh, I said I was going to tip and then I didn't, so I might still do that. I'm not really happy with this white up here, but I think it'll turn pink beautifully if I add some Dancing Fuchsia Cell Activator to it. Could take it right off my fingers. It's running down between my index finger and my next one. Alright, that's kind of cool. I think I still might be interested in tipping. Some great cells. I could blow into that just a little bit, I think. There we go. Actually, what I'd like to do is spiral. I don't have that many places to spiral. Doesn't seem like, anyway. This is kind of funny over here. I don't think it's going to show up well enough to make me happy. So I'm going to take my straw and make it show up a little bit better. It's an exotic sea star. Let me see if I can steal some paint. And make some tendrils. Probably should have left that one well enough alone. But I like that. And if I could add a few more, I could put more white down in that one spot. That wouldn't be a bad idea. Use it as a palette. I'm going to do it again. Because I like how it looks. Add a little texture, never hurt anything. I like that. Maybe drag a little bit of it. Oh. I could do that to the other side too. Could still spiral something in there. Most of the places that are white that come in contact with the Dancing Fuchsia will wind up being pink. But that does not actually bother me. Got all kinds of weird, cool little shapes going on. I'm thinking I might be done, or very nearly done. I lost some. What did I just see? I saw a place I might want to spiral, and then I thought maybe it's time to torch. I'm going to torch. Thank you for joining me. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for watching longer. My email address is easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com if you'd like to inquire. An artwork. Linked here you'll find Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, a couple of my websites, my Amazon link. Volumes 1 and Volumes 2 of my books are on the Amazon link because I can, and Unlimited Possibilities, the first and the second 100 videos I made for YouTube. Questions are welcome and encouraged. My community board will show you tomorrow's video. Thank you. Thank you to all my patrons. Thank you to the members. Thank you to those of you who use PayPal to make a donation to keep me painting. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys endlessly, and you inspire me always. My paint pouring recipes below show more. Thank you for being here. Bye for now. Priscilla out.